So this is a milk house heater style electric space heater by PowerZone. Bought it down at my local hardware store on sale, $21.97. Gonna open her up and see how it goes. Box is a little dented up. All right, well, let's try this out. Open it up, see what it looks like. Okay, so 1300 or 1500 watts plus fan only. Wish it was a little bit lower there. Great for garages and workshops, which is what this is for. Just for thermostat, which I definitely wanted. Easy to use rotary dial control, which I like. Rugged and durable metal housing. Automatic overheat protection system and safety tip over switch. Good. 3-prong grounded plug. 1-year limited warranty. It's all taped at the bottom. Okay, operating instructions. Removing styrofoam. Got a handle here we're going to put on. I miss my baby. No, it's too tight. Enough. So all we did is unloosen the 2 screws for the handle. They're actually screwed into the housing, which is cool because then you don't have to worry about them being lost. I'm trying to damage it. But it's mine now, so if I scratch it, I guess that's okay, right? Okay. Handle on. Styrofoam removed. Styrofoam removed. Three-prong plug. Hey, that's something. They didn't say how long this was, but I would say it's something like 6 foot. And heating up. You can definitely smell it burning off oils. It's got quite the caution list. Do not use outdoors. In other words, it's not waterproof. Okay, so power. This is your selector here, so off. Fan. That's hard to see, isn't it? 1300 watt, 1500 watt. Like I said, I don't run it clear on the high one. Thermostat. You're turning it clockwise to make it hotter, counterclockwise to go to low. And you notice that? Tipped it over and it turned off. Stand it up, turn back on. Very nice. Okay, well, that is how I'm going to keep my little shop a little warmer this winter. As it gets colder, I'm more likely to do inside tasks, so thought it was time to get one. Like I said, bought this at a True Value hardware store. It was on sale, $21.97. Hey, just to let you know, a little follow-up here. I've had it running now for 2 days. It's been maintaining the temperature in my shop, no problem. I think it's a good purchase if you're looking for a electric space heater for a workshop. So, hope that helps you make a decision. Have a great day.